Hi, hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. This is Ravi. In this video, I would like to explain about different types of data in spreadsheet. But before going to that, a small request. Those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends. Now, let us see the concepts, different types of data in spreadsheet. So mainly we have the first one is label, second one is values, third one is formula. Now let us see the first one, that is called as label. Label is any text entered by using a keyboard. It may combine with letters, numbers and special symbols. That means, so whatever the text we entered through, for example, RAVI, okay, press enter button. So this text we are calling as labels. Or for example, so this is also label. Label is nothing but any text entered by using a keyboard. Here we have entered a text, that's why it is called as a label. And it may combine with letters and numbers and special symbols. That means, for example, email ID is there. For example, see here, you observe here email ID is there. Here in this email ID we have entered first text, and with this text we have combined numbers, and at the rate is the special symbol. So this is also called as a label. Suppose if we enter address, so how we can enter address? House number, see here, house number means text 1-5-36 like this. So it also comes under label. Why? Because the definition of label is any text entered by using a keyboard. Here we are, this text we are entered in the cells by using keyboard. It may combine with numbers. See here we have combined with numbers and special symbols also. That's why it is called as label. What is the second one? Values. Values means simple. The numerical data consists of only numbers is called as values. The numerical data consists of only numbers. For example, here we have entered only number 45. Entered. This is a value. Okay, right. And one more thing, in value we have different formats. For example, 10.5. So this is also comes under value. Fraction, for example, 10 by 5. For example, enter. Okay, this is also comes under value. Why? Because this is the date. See here, 12/5/20. Okay, this is also comes under value. For example, time. If you want to mention the time, 10:20. This is also comes under value. You observe here only numerical values are there. So that's why it is called as values. The numerical data consists of only numbers. Okay, this is we are calling as values. That means it contain only numbers. Okay, right. Next one is, for example, if you want to mention currency, how we can 500 rupees. Okay, so this is also comes under which one? Values. Okay, right. What is the next one here? Formula. Formula means any expression that begins with an equal sign is treated as formula. See here, For example, in this D3 cell 20 value is there, and in E3 cell 30 value is there. Okay, in D3 we have 20 and in E3 we have 30. Suppose I want the total of this 20 plus 30 in this cell. Okay, so for that we have to enter a formula. See, any formula we have to start with the equal sign, equal. So where is 20 in D3? So D3 plus, where is 30? E3, E3, enter. See, you observe here, whatever the formula we have entered in this cell, the result value is came. Press the cursor here, you observe here result value is there, but you observe here in the input line the formula is here. That means any expression that begins with equal sign, here we have typed this formula with the equal sign, that is we are calling as the formula. So whatever formula means, we have to start must and should with the equal sign. So that is we are calling as formula. Okay, and here one more thing I want to say is, here value means only numbers, but whereas label means only text. Along with the text we can include numbers as well as some special symbols. See here we know about these alignments: left align, center align, right align. For example, in this cell I have entered, for example, 25. You observe, and I am pressing enter button. See here, suppose left side I am pressing, see here, left side, so it is coming to left side. Okay, right. Now you observe, if I click center means it will come center, right side means right side. Okay, see here, for example, for the label, whenever you type, for example, welcome, I am typing. By default if you type any label, the default alignment is left side. You enter, yes, it will coming at the left side. So now in the next cell you enter value, that means for example 100 I am pressing, 100 I am typing. After that you press enter. What happened? By default the alignment of value is right side. See here, this is by default right side, and for label the by default alignment is left side. By default the value alignment is right side. Okay, so for this is about what it is: label, values and formula. For label, the examples are, the best examples are names, months, addresses and email ID. So the best example for values are time, date. Okay, time, date and currency. Then what is the formula? Formula is nothing but, so whenever we begin an expression with equal sign, that is we are calling as the formula. So this is about today's topic, different types of data in spreadsheet. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this topic, keep in comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, like it and share it to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video.